Man walked into the bathroom carrying a box of ice. He dumped it all into the tub, then forced himself into the freezing water. Spider drones detected the sudden drop in temperature and immediately launched a thermal scan. John held his breath, lying perfectly still beneath the surface. The drones scanned every inch of the room, but picked up nothing. Just as they were about to leave, a tiny bubble rose from the water, carrying a faint trace of body heat. Instantly, the drones swarmed the tub. One climbed up the edge, extended a mechanical leg, and sent a jolt of electricity into the water. John shot out, convulsing from the shock. The rest of the drones took turns electrocuting him. At that moment, police arrived at the door. With no choice, John took off his eye mask and submitted to a scan, but his new eyeball hadn't fully synced yet. He forced his eyes open as the spider drones blasted a scan beam straight into his pupil. A technician reviewed the data and confirmed he wasn't the target. The order came through: stand down. John had barely made it, but somewhere far away, Klein wasn't convinced. He replayed the surveillance footage again and again until he found something off.